This is Shi Zhiting for lesson 5. I'm going to sign in with the sysadmin account. And here we have the list of users, as you can see over here. Alright, and then when we go back, when we sign out, when we add the dog, it's going to prompt us to sign in. And it would add it to the shopping cart over here, dog. So we can add dog again, change the quantity. And we can also add zebra. And before we add that, we go to the profile, we can show over here. And over here, right now there is no order history, as we can see in Firebase. And then once we hit checkout, it says, shows the message that it's checked out successfully. We go to the profile, and we click on the order history, and then it will show here again. And we can also go to the Firebase. And here we have the order that we just checked out. 2 dogs and then 1 zebra. And then let's say if we add a giraffe one time, check out, and we view the order history. There we have the giraffe that is just checked out. So that is lesson 5.